Are you looking for the best face steamers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best face steamers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Nubular 3-in-1 Face Steamer for Home with Aromatherapy Design for Cleaning Pores. Your skin remains flawless at times within the shortest time possible with Nubular Face Steamer for Home. It features a hot mist function ideal for activating skin cells and unclogging your skin pores. On the other hand, the cold mist aids in shrinking pores and repairing sunburned skin. You can add some fruits, essential oils, herbs, or dried flowers to the aromatherapy basket for special steaming. The adjustable nozzle allows you to point it in the direction that works best for you for optimal results. With the high-volume water tank, you can steam your face up to 20 minutes before refilling it. At number 4, Vanity Planet Cold and Hot Aromatherapy Face Steamer for Home for Deep Cleaning. Soak your entire in the best steam ever with Vanity Planet Face Steamer for Home. This unit has 6 customizable beauty modes which enable you to choose one that suits your skin in the best manner. It only weighs 2.66 pounds, which makes it easier to transfer it from one place to another with so much ease. The hot mode is ideal for opening skin pores while the cold mode closes the pores and tightens the skin. Additionally, the digital display is well designed, making it easier to check on the settings. Also, it is equipped with a large water tank that allows you to add some water for spa steam to cleanse and hydrate your skin. At number 3, Ezbasics Blue Humidifier Moisturizing Face Steamer for Home with Aromatherapy Design. Do you have any trouble with sinuses? Ezbasics Face Steamer for Home has got you all covered. It comes with a 5-piece blackhead removal kit that aids in unclogging pores and removing any blackheads. You are assured of a smoother feel and appearance because it supplies sufficient moisture to your face. Also, you can add your favorite essential oil to the pads for a well-soothing experience. After a long day at work or watching your computer, you can enjoy an eye spa to relieve any tension in your eyes. You can as well adjust the direction of the nozzle to allow you to concentrate on some areas. At number 2, Lumcrissy Powerful Warm Mist Humidifier Face Steamer for Home for Acne Control. Always relax and indulge in a more soothing steaming experience with Lumcrissy Face Steamer for Home. It produces soothing steam that softens the cuticle and cleans any dirt on the pores. Featuring a PTC heating element, the nozzle sprays strong, thick, and steady steam for up to 40 seconds. Since it adopts nano-atomization technology, it can penetrate your skin 10 times so that you can enjoy the spa. Furthermore, it is equipped with an anti-creep touch panel that ensures easy operations. Whenever there is no water in the water tank, it will automatically turn off to avoid any accidents. At number 1, Greenlife Pink Essential Oil Face Steamer for Home for Moisturizing and Cleansing Pores. Forget all the stress of the day and keep your skin all soothed with Greenlife Face Steamer for Home. This multifunctional unit can easily absorb the essence of vegetables and fruits that are more beneficial to the skin. The ultrasonic evaporator is powerful enough to penetrate through the skin 10 times more than the normal face steamer. Even better, it is equipped with a 120 ml water tank which offers you 15 to 20 minutes of the skincare routine. It operates quietly to avoid disturbing anyone in the room with you. With only a weight of 1.15 pounds, you can easily carry it from one place to another. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.